Hello everyone, it's so wonderful to connect with you today. What comes to mind when you think about exercise in your golden years? For many, it's push ourselves hard, break a sweat, walk for miles every day. Well, I'm here with a secret. What if that's not the full story? What if there's a gentler way, a smarter way, a more effective way to feel fantastic? Imagine simple movements you can do at home, maybe while watching your favorite show. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through 5 simple, powerful movements. They aren't complicated or strenuous. They are gentle, effective, and you can start them right away. Get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's rediscover the amazing potential in your body. You deserve to feel energetic, strong, and full of life. Let's begin with the first movement, the second heart activator. Have you ever noticed that heavy, tired feeling in your legs or swelling in your ankles at the end of the day? Did you know that you have a second heart? That's right, it's in your calves. Every time you take a step or even flex your foot, those muscles act like a mighty pump. When we sit for long periods, this second heart becomes inactive and circulation slows. But here's the wonderful news. You can reactivate this pump without getting up from your chair. Sit comfortably, feet flat. Keeping toes on the floor, lift just your heels. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Now do the opposite. Keep heels down and lift your toes toward your shins. Hold for 2 seconds and lower. That's 1 rep. Try doing this sequence 10 times. Heels up, toes up, and feel the difference. That little tingle or lightness is your body thanking you for waking up the second heart. Great. Now that circulation is moving, let's move to a simple squeeze for better health. Now, let's move on to our second exercise, all about your hands. Believe it or not, studies show a simple hand squeeze can help naturally lower blood pressure. All you need is something small and soft, a tennis ball, stress ball, or rolled socks. Squeeze with moderate force, not maximum. Keep breathing normally. Hold a few seconds, then relax. Switch hands and repeat. You can do this on the couch, on the phone, or while waiting for the kettle to boil. Important, never hold your breath while squeezing. That can spike blood pressure. With steady breathing and regular practice, many people notice improved blood pressure readings over time. Now that your circulation and calming tool are set, let's strengthen the muscles that keep your independence. Now we're going to focus on strength. Not heavy weights, but specific muscles you use every day. The quadriceps on the front of your thighs are your lifting muscles. They power you up from a seated position. Sit tall with your back supported and feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend one leg until your knee is straight. Don't lift high. Feel the top of your thigh tighten. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly lower. Now repeat with the other leg. Each extension deposits into your strength bank. Getting out of a car, standing from the dinner table, moving with confidence. Do several controlled repetitions each day. Consistency builds strength far faster than occasional heavy sessions. Next, we'll evolve this into an endurance builder, holding the extension to build stamina and stability. The endurance builder targets the same thigh muscles but challenges them differently. By holding, extend a leg and hold. We'll count together, 1001, 1002, 1003. It might tremble. That's the muscle building stamina and stability. After 5 seconds, slowly lower and repeat with the other leg. Build up gradually. Now for the final movement that ties strength to posture and breathing, the chest opener. Stand an arm's length from a sturdy wall. Place your palms at chest height, slightly wider than shoulder width. Bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall like a standing push-up. Then press back. Feel your chest open, shoulders pull back. Deeper breathing means more oxygen and more energy. Repeat gently for several reps. Do only as much range as comfortable. We've tied circulation, blood pressure tools, strength, endurance, and posture together. Next, why consistency matters more than intensity. We've now gone through 5 simple yet incredibly effective movements together. Consistency will always beat intensity. Think of it like watering a plant a little every day. Doing these movements for just 5 or 10 minutes every day creates lasting change. You don't need fancy gear, a chair, a wall, and 5 minutes. Start today, not Monday. Small daily habits add up. Check a calendar, celebrate small wins, and keep it simple. Your body thrives on small, constant care. Make these movements your new daily ritual and watch how life changes. Imagine 2 weeks from now. Legs less heavy, getting up from chairs easier, more energy for the things you love. Each movement is a vote of confidence in your future. You deserve to feel good and stay independent. Start with one exercise today, repeat tomorrow, and build from there. If this helped, subscribe and share with someone you care about. You've got this.